Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a light bulb using Seesaw. There's actually going to be two videos about how to create light bulbs. So first we're going to deal with just a regular light bulb that you might find in a lamp at home. So in order to complete this task successfully, you need to change the background colour to something dark so that the light will show up. It could be one of these darker options. You could try them out, even the gradients here. I'm going to go just with the dark blue because I think this works quite well with the light bulb that is going to be yellow. So we're going to use two tools. We're going to use the marker pen tool here, which is the opaque line. That means that you can't see through it. And then we're going to also use the light tool, which has this lovely glow around it. Something interesting for you to know about the light tool, and something I discovered as I was using it, is that if you tap the light tool once on a dark background, you'll get some glow around the edge, but not that much. If you tap it a few times, the glow around the outside edge, that halo of light, actually stretches out and becomes more. So we're going to use that to our advantage to create really glowy lights on our Seesaw application. So we will start with the light tool. We're going to do just a regular yellow light bulb for this one. And you can do as many light bulbs as you like, or as few as you like. You can just do one big one like this if you want to. So I'm going to start with the basic shape of a light bulb. You can always look these up online if you want to double check the kind of shape that you want to create, because obviously light bulb comes in lots of different shapes. Once you've got the outside edge, then you need to carry on creating lines that get further and further towards the inside shape of your light bulb. You can see I'm just going around and it nearly starts to turn into a circular type shape, which is fine. And with each line that I put onto my light bulb, you'll see that that glow of light around the outside edge just gets a little bit brighter each time. Now I've got into the centre here, I'm just going to finish that off by creating just a couple of lines in the centre, and this is going to help with the filament, which I'm going to add in now, which is the element. This is the bit that the electricity travels through and switches the lights on. So we are going to swap now to our marker tool option and pick a size that is going to be appropriate for the task. I'm going to try with this middle-sized nib to begin with. We don't have silver, but we do have grey, so we're going to choose a light grey for this. And I'm going to first of all just start off by actually looking at the size of my nib, because we're going to do the filament first. So we want to go for the thinnest one for this option. You need to have a really steady hand for this one. So we're going to do two prongs that go up into the centre of our light bulb, and then we're going to create the element, which is that curled wire that you can see inside a light bulb. There's our element, which we've done. Next, we're going to put the base of our light bulb in place, and for this you're going to create an ellipse type shape. Remember, an ellipse is a bit like a tilted circle. It's not a tilted circle, it's an actual mathematical shape. But if that description helps you with getting the right kind of curve on the base, then please do feel free to refer to it as a bit of a curved tilted circle. And we're going to create like a screw type light bulb, so we're going to have these kind of indents down the side. Remember, if something goes wrong and you don't like the design, you can always press the back button. So we're just going to fill this in with colour. This is going to be the screw base of the light bulb. Oh, it's going off to the side a little bit here, so let's just even it out a bit. And just try to be as steady as you can with using your fingers on Seesaw. Okay, now we're going to give that screw base a little bit of definition. So we're going to swap to black, although you could do dark grey. I'm going to go for a thinner nib here, and then I'm just going to give a little bit of definition to the screw base so that it looks a little bit more realistic. And then I'm going to add in a highlight. So in order to do a highlight, I'm going to change it to the bright white. And I'm going to put the bright white right near to the black line, just to create a little bit of definition. And that is your very simple light bulb that you can create on Seesaw. If you're interested in learning how to do the string lights, then please do have a look at the other video, and then you can choose different amounts of lights and different colours of lights. Don't forget to upload your work to Seesaw and press the tag the visual arts folder so that I see your work. Good luck.